Hello, hello. So it's been too long
Without you, my friend.
since I made a video. Yes, मैं थोड़ी अंधी हूँ and मुझे confessions read करने हैं आज क्योंकि आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं spicy crush confessions. Like अगर तुमने कभी किसी पे crush किया है, क्योंकि मैं तो serial crusher हूँ, मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसा कोई मेरे लाइफ में टाइम पीरियड था. puberty hit करने के बाद जब मुझे किसी पे crush नहीं हुआ. It's not like a serious crush, वो बहुत ही कम हुए हैं जिंदगी में. But it's just like I need a crush. It's like a motivation for me to stay alive. So, let's start with the confessions. We were hanging out at our typical spot when I told her that I had a big crush on her for the past year and I had really liked it if she had given me a shot, just one date. She said, "Hey, nah, I don't see you like that." टिपिकल सिचुएशन. लाइक मैंने तो कभी किसी को ऐसा नहीं पूछा है कि मेरे साथ डेट पे चलेगा, क्योंकि आई वुड रादर बी सिंगल देन आस्क समबडी. बिकॉज लड़कों की ईगो सर पे रहती है. उन्हें अगर तुमसे उनसे पूछ लोगे तो दे विल थिंक दैट माय गॉड आई एम सो ब्यूटीफुल सो प्रिटी, व्हाई इज दिस गर्ल आस्किंग मी, क्या इतनी डेस्परेट है. तो आई कांट डू दैट. And I was like, pretty fucking weird. She tried changing the subject, but I was a million miles away by that point. I made up a reason to take off, and she graciously did not call me out for it being bullshit. I avoided her for the next few weeks for some reason or another. Her rejection humiliated me even though no one else knew about it. If she texted to see if I wanted to hang out, I wouldn't respond or I'd lie and say I was doing something. One night, there was a knock on the door of my apartment. It was her. I knew she had come around. Oh my god, is this guy delusional? Or delusional? Delulu is not the Silulu, brother. Okay, let's see if his intuition is right because my boy. I opened the door and she came in and sat down on my couch and said this, and I'm paraphrasing. I just don't like you in a romantic way. We all saw it coming. हमें सबको पता है कि ऐसा ही होने वाला है. I can't help it. I'm just not attracted to you. I just don't. You just don't spark my fire. I'm sorry. Oh my god, what happened to my reading skills? मुझे अब बोलने में शर्म आ रही है कि मैं एक reader हूँ. Makes sense, dude. अगर तुमसे कोई लड़की कह रही है कि I don't see you like that, उसका क्या मतलब होता है? She really doesn't see you like that. So please, just take a hint and be gone. And then you're trying to avoid her because you were humiliated. I guess I can understand the feeling that तुम किसी को पसंद करते हो, हाँ, तुमने बहुत मुश्किल से हिम्मत करके उसको बोला, and then they rejected you, right? Then you feel humiliated. But ये कौन सा delusion है? फिर delusional तो actually I don't know. Am I that delusional? Maybe I am. I guess we all are when it comes to love. Coffee delusional. Okay, that being said, I miss you. You are my best friend, and spend pretty much all my free time with you. So if you want to go on a date with me, I'll do that for you. Oh my goodness. Is this man stupid? वो इतनी अच्छी दोस्त को खो रहा है because she felt so bad for him that she's just पिटी डेटिंग, अगर ये टर्म एग्जिस्ट करती है. मैं गड्ढा खोद करके खुद ही अपनी ग्रेव बना लेती, या फिर मैं खुद ही अपनी चिता बना के उसमें बैठ जाती. प्लीज मुझे जला दो, अब मैं नहीं जिंदा रह सकती हूँ. लाइक सॉरी. And I realized how much my friendship meant to her and how shitty and cowardly I've been to try to avoid her after she rejected me. I told her that I was sorry, and if she could forgive me and see her way past this, I would really like to resume our friendship. It wasn't easy, but I was able to find the maturity to conquer those feelings. We picked up where we left off, minus a little baggage. A few years ago, a lifelong friend from back home came to visit me. I introduced him to my friends here, and well, she found her spark. Oh my god, damn. But I like his maturity कि उसने सोचा कि नहीं यार, finally उसके दिमाग में एक सेंस आया कि नहीं यार, मैं अपनी फ्रेंडशिप क्यों ruin कर रहा हूँ. I have feelings for her, she doesn't have feelings for me, and it's fine. But she found her spark in his best friend. Oh, I don't know. Did he feel bad about it? They have been happily married now for 2 years, and I can only hope that the son and daughter can enjoy the same level of friendship as her and I do. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, though he did move past, right? He said he picked up the baggage and everything. So good for him. अगले वाले पे move on करते हैं. Chin, 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 chin. Asked this guy out. He seemed sweet and smart and was cute. मेरे को यार पता नहीं क्यों ऐसी चीजें मैं जब पढ़ती हूँ शुरू में कुछ ऑप्टिमिस्टिक होता है तो मैं इतनी डैमेज हो चुकी हूँ ट्रॉमा से जो लड़कों ने मुझे दिया है कि मुझे हमेशा शक होता है सब लड़कों पे कि ये अच्छे से बात भी क्यों कर रहा है मेरे से, स्वीट है, क्यूट है, कैसे है, मतलब हो। इट्स नॉट बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम नॉट वर्दी ऑफ लव, आई नो आई एम, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये बंदा नहीं, यानी ये मुझे बेवकूफ बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है बिकॉज कुछ ज्यादा ही धोखा फैल गया है आजकल की ना दुनिया में, तो अब मुझे नहीं यकीन होता। फर्स्ट टाइम आई आस्क्ड समवन आउट, ही सेड यस. First date was picking up a video after he got off work and watching it at his place. Sounds good. He's really anal about the timing too, which is weird. He's punctual. I mean, get it because I'm also like that. I can like मुझे बहुत तेज चिढ़ मचती है अगर कोई इंसान मतलब कह रहा है मैं इतने बजे आऊंगा, तुम थोड़ा बहुत लेट हो सकते हो, लेकिन ये क्या है कि बहुत ज्यादा लेट हो रहा है. I don't know if he's like too strict or he's just punctual, unlike a lot of people in this world who are not. Yep, he was in house arrest probation after being in the federal pen. Not a violent crime, thank God. What? I don't understand American terminology, but इतना तो मुझे पता है कि वो प्रोबेशन पे है, मतलब उसने कुछ तो क्राइम किया है, वायलेंट क्राइम नहीं करा, थैंक गॉड, बट गर्ल यू शुड रन. भाग जाओ भाई, भाग जाओ पहली ट्रेन पकड़ के. But taught me that it would be smart to get to know someone a tad better before agreeing to be alone with them in their home. Yes, girl, yes, you understood. She's a smart girl. At it. So, to everyone assuming it was drug, it wasn't. It had to do with organized crime, not a small lapse in judgment, and not for having a little weed on him or something. Oh my god, organized crime. This is when men die, before women. Also, my point was that I went someplace to be alone with someone who was a practical stranger. I realized that was not a particularly smart move in general. I did not know this person before I put myself in a vulnerable situation, which is vulnerable whether or not the person has a criminal record. I did not decide not to date him solely because he was on house arrest or had a criminal record. मुझे लगता है कि दिस अलोन इज अ रीजन, लाइक तुम क्यों जस्टिफाई कर रही हो बहन अपने आप को कि मैंने इसलिए उसको रिजेक्ट नहीं करा क्योंकि वो क्रिमिनल था. अरे भाई भागो. आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ा रीजन है जिसकी वजह से तुम डिसाइड, तुम किसी को किसी वजह से भी डंप कर सकते हो ना, यू जस्ट यू हैव द राइट. एवरीवन मेक्स मिस्टेक्स इंक्लूडिंग, दैट्स नॉट अ मिस्टेक. आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कमेंट सेक्शन में इस लड़की को लोगों ने बहुत तंग करा है. व्हाट डू यू मीन इट वाज, it's not a mistake, he's doing organized crime like gang violence or something. The bigger issue was that he didn't take responsibility for what he did. Okay, अगर कोई इंसान कुछ ऐसी काम कर रहा है तो मुझे नहीं लगता रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने से कुछ भी ठीक होता है, बिकॉज छोटी मोटा काम थोड़ी करा है कि अब लेट हो गए, ठीक है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले ली. क्राइम की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तुम लो ना लो, तुमने क्राइम किया है, इट डज नॉट मैटर इवन इफ यू आर रैपिन. आई डोंट नो, मैं वर्ड भूल गई. अगर तुम्हें फिर भी पछतावा हो रहा है उसके बाद भी, मुझे नहीं लगता कि this forgiveness for everything. You should just, तुम्हें उससे मतलब नहीं रखना चाहिए. He made excuses and insisted he didn't really hurt anyone and blamed other people for what happened. This is not a case of making a mistake, owing up to it and moving on. Also turned out he was incredibly racist, which is unrelated but an issue for me. अगर कोई एक व्यक्ति भी से देख रहा है तो I love you so much. Sarangeo. Thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.